I watched Frankenstein, and before I start the review, let me just tell you this cinema is a gothic kind of cinema, which I know many cinema going audiences don't prefer. And also, let me just tell you viewer discretion advice. It's bloody, not violence but bloody, but anatomically bloody. So, if you guys are not comfortable with it, this movie is not for you. You can just listen to my review and enjoy. The plot revolves around a crazy scientist who wants to create life in a creature and in turn makes a monster. And this plot basically revolves around the creator telling his side of the story and the monster telling his side of the story and how life has treated them and how life affects them. The cast includes Jacob Elordi, Mia Goth, who actually plays two roles, Oscar Isaac in the leading roles. And this movie is inspired by a novel which is so good actually. If you guys have read the novel, please comment down below. Let's start with the positive aspect. First up is the cinematography, and let me tell you, the director Guillermo del Toro literally claimed that every scene is a painting, and let me tell you, I don't disagree at all. Every scene is so beautiful and literally looks painted at CMCs. Even if it's bloody, it has some color to it, some liveliness to it, which is quite rare. Next is the set designs. You won't believe when you watch the movie. There are massive castles, huge batteries, and everything. And especially the crucifixion scene, everything is real. It's so good, and especially the hard work and everything is visible, which literally reflects and makes the movie 10 times more better. Next is the costume and the makeup, and Jacob Elordi playing the creature and the scars and everything is so good, literally wonderful. And also, let me just appreciate the costumes for Mia, and it's so wonderful. Like especially the mother's dress and Elizabeth's dress, it's so good. Especially the wedding scene, and the costume was inspired by Bride of Frankenstein. I don't know why many people are not getting that reference. It was so good. Next is the acting, and let me tell you, Jacob Elordi especially, because most of his role is just physical, expressing his emotion through the eyes, is done such a phenomenal job. I kind of forget that he was the guy in Kissing Booth and Euphoria, and now he's doing this. He's truly the Robert Pattinson of this generation. Next is Mia Goth. I mean, wonderful, both the roles. I could not actually believe first like she's playing the mother also, but it was awesome. And Oscar Isaac, hot as usual, and such a craziness in his eyes. Dread believing meant me he is the crazy scientist. Let's talk about the negatives. It's very less. First up is there was an exhibition on the Frankenstein movie in London, and why didn't I get any tickets? That was the most negative part for me because I really want to visit the costumes, the thought process which got into it. It was wonderful, and also the second most negative point is the cinematography because it's bloodshed and everything. So if people are not comfortable with it, don't watch it. Just an advisory. Thank you.